can I show you my favorite photo ever? Here it is. Now this photo you've probably seen on Pinterest. If you haven't seen it yet, you're gonna see it someday soon because this photo truly has gone viral and people love it so much. Now why do people love this photo? The reason is one simple thing. Beautiful light. And I want to show you how to create that light today. So what you can do is you can grab your own cell phone. You don't need a professional photo here, but grabbing your cell phone, you can test the light. Now what we have here is I am under a very big overhang. And as you can see, what's happening is the light is pushing in from that overhang and it's creating one big giant softbox. Now if you're not sure about it, grab your phone, put it on video mode. I'm going to do this here. And you can see whether you're in video mode or photo mode, you can see how the light starts to change. And when I'm right about here, would you guys agree this light is not really the best? So I need to get to the edge of this light, right where it starts to become that big softbox where the light is pushing in, and then I'm going to have that really beautiful light, and you can start to see it happening right there on your video camera. So let me show you again. We're going to take another location with an overhang, and I'm going to show it to you there. Here we go. Here we are again at a whole new location, very different look, but now we have, once again, an overhang. So testing with our video or your photo, you can look at the light and see where is it starting to hit at just the right place. And you can see it's right here at the edge, right at the edge where the overhang is coming over and that light is pushing in. And what I love about this is I love this more grungy look. So we can really take some cool poses here, you know, with our seniors, and we can get some cool poses like this. And we're just using the light with all that pushing in, and it makes for some really cool and awesome poses. Now we're gonna try one more spot. Okay, so the last one here, we can see that we have this big overhang once again. This is a giant atrium. All that light is pushing in. Testing with my video camera, I could see I really like how this light looks, and this would be a great place to be posing my client, getting some awesome images that they would love thanks to that light source pushing in. So the next time you see a window or especially any kind of overhang, just put your client underneath that, look for the place where the light pushes in. They will be very happy, and you will have very beautiful photos on your hands.